All right, we're gonna go for a spin here in a really nice driving 1969 Chevelle, a Malibu version, but they're all Malibus and Chevelles. So this one's a two-door hardtop. It's finished in Dusk Blue metallic, which is an original color for 69. This one has some SS upgrades, like the double hump hood there, which I think looks great. It's got the white Super Sport stripe on the side. It's lowered a little bit. It's got drop spindles in the front and lowered springs in the back. 15-inch, 7 and 8-inch staggered rally wheels with brand new BFG T radials. We worked on this car for the previous owner for years. Super nice guy, and we finally just upgraded him to a 70 LS6. He is so excited, but this car would never be with me if it wasn't for that car. He loved this car. So like I said, we put a new motor in it. It's got about 9,000 miles on the motor. It's a brand new crate motor from Chevrolet. We rebuilt the rear differential. It's got a 12-volt 331 Posi-Traction differential. So nice for the freeway. Turbo 350 automatic transmission. Power disc brakes and power steering. It's got dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. It just drives so good. It's nice and tight. Got a great sound. It's only like a little over 300 horsepower, but it just feels good, you know? It's one of those cars that you can just hop in it and go. It's got a little Kenwood added stereo in it, CD player, AM FM CD. We also put the rear box control arms and sway bar on this one not too long ago. But anything this car needed, we always did it for him. So we have a stack of records, and it's a nice solid black plated California car. We're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, take a look at this beautiful 1969 Chevelle, finished in Dusk Blue. It's got the SS hood, the SS side stripe. It's got all the trim too. It's got the wheel well moldings and some rally wheels. 7-inch wide in the front, 8s in the back. A little bigger, a little staggered BFG T radials. Those are brand new also, we just put those on. Nice paint, paint's 8.5 out of 10. Looks real good, nice shine to it. Nice and solid. Not a rusty car. It's got the black California original plates on there. All the trim is good. Bumpers are still in great shape. Just a really good looking car. 69 is one of my favorites. I think 70 is the holy grail, but 69 I think is second. This one's got a bench seat interior, blue vinyl. Really good shape. Headrest. Got seat belts front and rear. Package tray is real nice. Headliner's nice. It's got the 3-spoke comfort grip wheel. I think we sent these gauges out to get redone too. Even the clock works. So we had that done for the previous owner. Got a couple gauges under the dash. Kind of necessity in these older cars. The dummy lights just don't come on in time. So it's nice to know when we put the new motor in, we put these gauges in. So you got oil pressure and water temp. It's got a little AM FM CD Kenwood stereo in there too, with auxiliary port. Listen to your tunes. Headliner's in nice shape. But it's got that 350 with a turbo 350 transmission, 331 Posi-Traction rear differential. Do a little burnout, leave 2 stripes. That's all rebuilt as well. Flowmasters, got a nice rumble to it. It's a really good looking fun car to drive. It's not going to break the bank. Just go cruising in it. It's ready to go. Here's the power plant in the 69 Chevelle. Again, it's a 350 GM crate motor. Target motor they call it. So it's got headers on it. It's got an Edelbrock upgraded aluminum intake. Holley 4-barrel carburetor on there. Had the radiator gone through. Runs nice and cool. Factory power steering. Disc brakes. Here's your trim tag there. Still got that on there. Blue on blue. Got an HEI ignition too. Go ahead and fire it up for you. I love the way this thing sounds. It sounds so nice. It's got a little rumble to it. VIN number on the dash. Everything's just nice and clean, always been cared for. Real reliable little 350 engine, you can't beat those. 350 turbo transmission works good with the 331 ratio. And the sway bars make it handle a little bit better. Sounds really good. Well, if you want to see this one in person or come out and take it for a spin, come see us in Simi Valley, 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California, 93065. My phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. Be happy to show you the car in person, show you some of the other stuff we have, but if you come out to see this one, you'll be taking it home because it's a good one. Thanks for watching.